What's up, everybody, and welcome back. Today, more work on the E36 here, as you can tell. I think I mentioned it in a previous video, but the hood was stuck down when I bought it. We got it unstuck, but it's still bent and won't actually latch fully. So what we're going to do today is tear the hood off, try to straighten it out a bit. Hopefully it snaps back on after doing that. And then we just got to check out, there's a couple leaks, a coolant leak we got going on here. Got to take a look at, and other than that, we need to drive it around and make sure it's running right after replacing the intake boot here. So let's go ahead and get started pulling the hood off. Alright, as you can see now, we've taken out the wiring from the hood here, as well as the sound deadener and insulation there. So now we just got to take that one last strut off the right side and pull this bad boy off. Alright, as you can see, the hood is off the E36 now. Kind of how we want it. I need to go take a test drive in it just to make sure everything's not spraying everywhere. I haven't really driven it with the hood off yet. So that's going to do it for this, but stay tuned on the channel and stay tuned to see what's coming next.